Hi Byrdie, I'm Nina Dobrev, and these are the 5 products I absolutely cannot live without. That's a lie. I could live, but I don't want to live without them. So first off, this is the Chanel UV Essential. It's anti-pollution, broad spectrum SPF, daily defense sunscreen. Not a single day goes by where this isn't the first thing that I apply to my face upon waking up. I've tried so many different products that, especially when you're wearing makeup right afterwards, it can get thick or it gets sticky or it's really white. I've found that this specific one is the most sheen, it has the most protection, it has 50 SPF in it, which is a lot. And it's light and airy, and you can put makeup on seamlessly. It's like a primer almost. My next product is Dr. Barbara Sturm Molecular Cosmetics Glow Drops. These are amazing. I mix them in with my sunscreen and my moisturizer, and I don't know what it is that's inside of it, but whatever it is, it really does make your skin glow. I had a facial with her recently, and she gave me this heavenly bottle filled with things that are in a different language that I can't read, but whatever they are, they're great. The next product after my sunscreen and after my glow drops is my foundation. We talked about prepping the skin with a glowy, dewy tint, and right after that, I also apply this Chanel Perfection Lumiere Velvet Foundation, which I love mainly because A, it has sunscreen in it already, so even if if I, for whatever reason, forgot to put my sunscreen on that day, I do have a little bit of protection in the foundation. It has full coverage, but it's not super heavy and cakey. And at the same time, they also put powder in it. So I am a on-the-go person. I have a dog, I have a busy life. I don't have time to put foundation on and then powder and like do all these like steps. I also love that it's really small, so I can throw it in my purse, I can travel with it. I won't get in trouble at the airport, at TSA, and they won't make me throw it out because it's too big. I don't leave the house without this foundation ever. The next product is my YSL lip stain. I technically have 6 products here, even though these are my 5 favorite products, because these are 2 different shades of the same lip stain that I am obsessed with. I like to go to the beach. I like to go out at night and not have to keep reapplying every 15 minutes or 10 minutes and worry about smudges, especially when it's a bright color like the red one. This one has a really great applicator that's new. It's angled. I'm not gonna apply it right now because I don't wanna look like Harley Quinn because I can't see, but this angled tip allows for you to be able to really define every edge and contour and be a perfectionist, kind of like I am. And I swear, even though it looks dewy, it stays on through water, through anything that you need to do, and just looks cute and perfect. And last, but absolutely not least, this fragrance I'm obsessed with. I spray it at home as like a room spray on my body. It's got like a light, airy, fresh, just delicious velvety smell. I cannot endorse this fragrance anymore. I love it so, 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 so much. I have the candle version of it. I have the room spray version of it. I have the soap version of it. I've just been kind of living in this world, and it makes my life way better. All right, these are my favorite 5. I hope some of these product recommendations were helpful, and until next time, bye Byrdie.